You see it for sale. A stunning, handcrafted luxury car that once cost over $100,000, now available for the price of a used Toyota Camry. It feels like you've discovered a cheat code to the universe. But what you've actually found is a financial landmine. Welcome to CARZMOOD. Today, we are exposing the ultimate automotive trap, the cheap, used luxury car. These 5 vehicles promise the champagne lifestyle on a beer budget, but they will absolutely bankrupt you with catastrophic repair bills and shocking depreciation. This is the $100,000 mistake you cannot afford to make. First on the list is the poster child for financial disaster, the Maserati Quattroporte or Ghibli. The sound of that Ferrari-derived engine is one of the most intoxicating noises on Earth. But the allure stops the moment something breaks. These cars are infamous for using cheap, low-quality interior parts straight from a Chrysler 300, while charging you Ferrari-level prices for engine repairs. A simple transmission issue or an electronic module failure can easily result in a $10,000 to $15,000 bill. It's an Italian supermodel with a hidden and very expensive addiction to your wallet. Number 2 is the king of complexity, a used BMW 7 Series, specifically from the mid-2000s to the mid-2010s. For its time, this car was a technological spaceship. It also has the repair bills of one. The iDrive system is a maze of modules that fail, the air suspension is a ticking time bomb, and the V8 engines are famous for valve stem seal leaks that cause the car to pour blue smoke out the exhaust, a $5,000 repair. A cheap 7 Series isn't a sign of a good deal. It's a warning sign that the previous owner just got a repair quote they couldn't afford. Third is the vehicle that proves looking rich and being rich are two very different things, a used Range Rover. Whether it's the full size or the Sport, these SUVs are the undisputed kings of depreciation for one reason. They are terrifyingly unreliable. The number one killer is the air suspension. The airbags leak, the compressors burn out, and the height sensors fail, leaving you with a multi-$1,000 bill to fix what is essentially a fancy pothole shock absorber. That's before you even get to the endless unfixable electrical gremlins that will haunt your ownership. Fourth on our list is the German limousine that can become a driveway statue, the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, particularly models with the ABC or Airmatic suspension. Like the Range Rover, the air suspension is a guaranteed point of failure, but the S-Class adds another layer of fear with its complex hydraulic systems and a spaghetti monster of wiring. When these systems fail, the repair costs are not in the hundreds, but in the thousands, and they often require a specialist with a PhD in Mercedes engineering to even diagnose. It is one of the most expensive cars on Earth to keep on the road past 100,000 miles. And finally, at number 5, is its direct competitor, the Audi A8. The Audi A8 is an engineering marvel, often built on an advanced aluminum space frame. This is fantastic until you get into a minor fender bender. Repairing aluminum is a specialized and incredibly expensive process that most body shops won't even touch. On top of that, early V8 models were known for timing chain guide failures, a part that costs a few $100s but requires the entire engine to be removed from the car to replace, resulting in a repair bill that can exceed the value of the car itself. The Maserati, the 7 Series, the Range Rover, the S-Class, and the A8. These 5 cars are proof of the oldest rule in the car business. There is nothing more expensive than a cheap luxury car. The purchase price is just the entry fee. The real cost is keeping it on the road. Don't fall into the trap. If this video just saved you from a potential financial wreck, destroy that like button and subscribe to CARZMOOD for more of the hard truths that will save you money. Now, I want to hear your story. What is the most expensive or ridiculous repair bill you've ever gotten for a luxury car? Share the horror story in the comments below. Thanks for watching.